What's up guys, Maritza here, back at again with another video. Today I am filming in my new beauty room, so you guys are seeing a whole new setup. I haven't completely set up my background yet, but it's literally I'm working on getting that all kind of set up. As you guys see from the title, I am going to be filming a review for Insert Name Hair, which is a hair brand. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing two of their best-selling hair extension ponytails. Full disclosure, they actually sent this to me for free for me to review for you guys. I have never tried ponytail hair extensions because I just don't know how to do that, to be really honest. But I'm really curious to see how this is going to work out, and I just want to show you guys, for someone who hasn't tried ponytail hair extensions, how easy is it for you guys to also do it, because I don't have any experience, and I'm sure that most of you guys don't have any experience at all, which is why this video is helpful. I'm going to be talking about the price, the quality, and the color and the blendability with my hair and how it's holding up. So before I get started, I want to let you guys know that, full disclosure, they actually sent me both of their best-selling ponytail hair extensions. One of them is called Maya, and the other one is called Brit, and they're both in the shade Espresso. But before I get into that, I just want to let you guys know that I've actually have purchased with them before. I had purchased some hair extensions from them before, and this was for Thanksgiving. I bought some extensions. I'm just going to show you guys so you guys know that I'm not lying. I bought these extensions. They're a little bit darker than what I am, but I know that I am going to go dark. You know, when I tone my hair gets pretty dark. But these hair extensions, it's supposed to be a dark brown, but actually turns out to be pretty black. But anyway, just want to let you guys know that I did buy some hair extensions from them as well when they had a really great sale for Black Friday. I'm just going to show you guys really quick because all of the hair extensions actually come in a little baggie. So when you do get your package, you are going to be getting a baggie to store your hair extensions, which I personally really like because it's like big enough to fit the whole thing, but also I feel like it's easier to just access. But anyway, so I'm going to get into the video. Okay, so I'm first going to start off with Maya. For the Maya ponytail, they do have 11 shades available on their website. It's supposed to be a very straight, sleeky ponytail. The ponytail that I got, personally, I personally was not expecting this because I thought it was going to be like a very sleek ponytail. But apparently this is a ponytail that Ariana Grande used for, might have been one of her videos. So just want to let you guys know, Ariana Grande uses this hair. But the first thing that I noticed when I first opened the hair is that online I thought that it was going to be completely straight, which I'm not going to lie, it does look completely straight, like straight from afar. But when you get close, if you guys can see, if you get close, it does have this grittiness. It does have just like this crimp on the hair. It does say online that the hair is heat resistant and that it can take up to 400 degrees. However, they do think that, you know, putting heat on this can definitely affect the total texture of the hair. But to be really honest, I'm really just curious to see how the texture of this changes and if it's going to burn. This is synthetic hair. This is not real hair. Obviously, synthetic hair is plastic. So, you know, I've just been advised that hair that is synthetic, you should not straighten, you should not curl, because it is going to fall off. And I've actually had that experience with my other wigs, and we are actually going to test this today. I already had straightened my hair earlier today, so I do have my flat iron right here. So this is the most that this goes up to. My thing goes up to 450, so I am going to lower the thing here. A couple of things to know about Maya is that, you know, it is it's a 24-inch hair ponytail, and it also comes with this side part right here, so it is velcroed in, which is pretty nice, honestly. I think this is what makes it so much easier, is that it just has a velcro. You can immediately just snap it on there, like just wrap it on there, and it's gonna stick. This is what it looks like when you hook up your ponytail to the extension. It automatically just you automatically hook it in, and then you wrap it around, and then you use this to like conceal the velcro right here, which is nice because, you know, some people end up using their own hair to wrap it around. I would be curious to know if they have a lighter Velcro color for the blonde shades. Now we're gonna go in there and we are going to straighten a little piece and we're gonna see if there's a difference in there. So I'm gonna go in there. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. You cannot straighten this at all. At all. Do you guys see? Do you guys see how much hair just fell out? Yeah, and I'm at halfway. So what, like 420 or 225? Bro, 225. So I'm gonna say that no, it's 100% not heat resistant. I wouldn't even try to put heat on this. I'm literally gonna just shut it off. I'm gonna put it at the lowest setting because I'm gonna come back to this and put it on. My god, I'm so upset that I even did that. I knew that was gonna happen. Even though it says online that you can heat this up, honestly, you just really can't. And I really wouldn't try to do it with the big chunk, because if you do it with the chunk like this, it's already too big enough in the first place. If you do it, you're gonna end up burning like half of this. So I would just like try to do it with like the ends, if anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hair up in a ponytail, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to put this on, because this is going to be trial and error and you guys are going to be watching me put this on, because if this is your first time, you and I are going to have the same exact struggle. Okay, I've gone ahead and put my hair in a ponytail, and I don't think that anyone has ever seen me with my hair up in a ponytail. So I'm actually just detangling this because I accidentally dropped it and it's getting a little bit frizzy, but I think we should be fine, honestly. Like, we should be fine. My hair is, right now, it's pretty thick because I trimmed my hair like 2 days ago. It already looks like I have hair extensions on, but I don't. My hair is naturally thick like this. So I'm just curious to know how much even more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the back of this and I'm going to hook it to the back of my ponytail. Pretty much I'm putting it to the, like, right here. I'm putting it right here and I'm hooking it where hooking it right to where my hair tie is. So it's already in there. Honestly, I'm like kind of worried about this because I've never tried this before. So now that this is on there, I'm just going to take the strand and with my other hand I'm holding it down. But I'm just going to start going around here. Actually, I feel like I need to squeeze this because I feel like this is like way too out. Okay, so I need to squeeze it because I'm trying to get it as tight as possible on the Velcro. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm just tightening this part down to meet the Velcro on the other side. I'm not gonna lie, it is kind of hard to get this because there's like a lot of hair. What I'm just trying to do right now is just trying to have the Velcro meet with the other one and stick. So right now I just got it to stick. Now I'm gonna take the side piece. This is a little side piece right here. Take the side piece and I'm just gonna start hiding it away. I'm gonna do it pretty tight because I don't want it to look like it's really fake. And I'm just gonna have to clean this up again so that it's not touching the actual hair. So I'm just gonna put this little last part right at the bottom of my hair, and this is where these clips come in handy. So I'm literally just going to pin this literally to my hair. I'm not even going to pin this on top. I'm not going to pin it to this because it's not really going to stick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pin this directly to the back of my head right here. And that is on there. So this is the result. It is a lot of hair. Just bam, bam. Oh, that's another thing. I forgot to blend my other hair. Actually, I actually really like it. This is the Maya. This is the Maya. We're gonna get some natural lighting right here. We're gonna check my hair out, how it looks like with the hair color. This is my natural hair down here. If you guys can see, this is my natural hair. Obviously, it's not going to match perfectly, but I think that they did a really great job trying to match my hair with this. I'm actually really happy that they put some dimension to this hair because it's not all just one color. They do have some kind of dimension. The one thing that I would say that does kind of bother me, though, is the texture of the hair. I don't think that... I mean, it does look pretty straight from far. This is what my hair looks like from afar. It is super long. It literally goes almost like towards the... So as I mentioned, I'm going to go in with a really small amount and I'm just going to straighten it out. Okay. Okay, so if you press really hard, you are going to burn it. I just saw the same thing. But I will say, though, that it does straighten. It just, you can't put too much pressure on it. And to be really honest, like, you guys can see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. This actually straightened. This strand, legit straightened, guys. Like, legit. Can you guys see the difference between, this one's the straightened one, this is the other one. So it does straighten, but you have to go very, very light. Like, you don't even need to touch it. Like, just put very, like, light pressure. Yeah, so you can definitely straighten it, but you can't close it all the way down. You have to have it, like, semi-open as you're going down, but you have to go with, like, really, really small sections. So online, it is considered as a long, straight ponytail, 24-inch. It is $49. It can be worn with high hair, like high ponytail, mid ponytail, or mid ponytail. I'm just trying to do the Ariana Grande, which is why I got inspired to do a high ponytail. But honestly, I would probably pretty much rock this with a low ponytail just to have like this like very sleek, professional, you know, modern look. And then a couple other things to know too is that this is one of their most top selling hair extensions along with the Brit. So this is the Maya. This has also been seen on Ariana Grande's In Your Head music video, and I'll go ahead and insert a picture or a video of the music video where she's wearing the hair extensions here. Okay, next up is the Brit. So apparently the Brit is kind of more of like loosier waves. And this one's also set for $49. It's also the espresso color. This one's, I'm gonna say, this has more of the straight silk finish. So this one has way more shine. It's kind of more bouncier than the other one. It does have a little curl at the bottom. Honestly, if I were to say, this is kind of more of my style just because I like things that are more volume down here, and I just like the overall like shine. So one thing to know about the Brit ponytail is that this one only comes in 9 colors compared to the Maya that comes in 11 colors. So just based on their website, they claim that their hair, which is this hair, it is the highest quality Japanese synthetic fibers, which looks and feels completely natural. So a couple other things to know about this is that this is actually 26 inches, so it's 2 inches longer than the Maya that I had just tried on. I am seeing a little bit of shedding. Actually, the more that I pull out, I'm seeing some shedding. So I don't know if that's normal. I'm sure that's normal, right, guys? This can be worn high, mid, low ponytail. You can also braid this in. I actually definitely would see someone braiding this in just to add some more volume, but same thing with the other one. It has a Velcro. It has a little tassel right here. A little tassel. So I just saw the bottom of this. If anyone's wondering how this is stuck on there, it's actually sewn in there. So all the hair in all the wefts are sewn into this lace right here. I feel like this one's gonna be a little bit easier. So where the Velcro straps are on one side and where the Velcro ends on the other side, and you're gonna have to like pinch your hair down, or just pinch it down. Oh my god, the Velcro just got caught in my hair. And it's pulling my hair. And I'm just trying to have both the beginning and the end part meet. That way it's completely locked in. I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna pull this hair out so it's not in the way. I'm just gonna slowly. I'm gonna put a lot of pressure in there though, because if I don't put pressure, I feel like it's gonna come out kind of loose. But just already though, I feel like this one looks the most natural. This thing is literally up to my waist. Do you guys see my hair? Alright, so we're gonna hide this hair down here. Alright, I'm wondering how it's gonna look like if I were to braid my hair. I think that for people that do like hair tutorials on IGTV or on Instagram, like Instagram videos of, you know, fishtail braids, I think this is gonna be a really great addition to your kit. Or even if you like doing those kind of videos or just doing that on yourself, I think it's gonna be a really great addition because it's gonna really help kind of show off your work if you know you have a lot of hair to work with. This is actually really great quality. I'm surprised too, like if I have this braided up, it does look like it is real hair, honestly. Like if I'm looking this up in person, this does look like it's real hair. If you don't like it to be really shiny, one thing that I've learned is that you can definitely even use like a translucent powder and like lightly coat the hair. That way it doesn't look too shiny. I am going to be putting a little rubber band just to show you guys, it can definitely hide this little piece of hair. This is what my ponytail looks like. Obviously I can make it look better, but we're just gonna leave it like this. But I just want to show you guys what it looks like with a braid. If you do see it in sunlight, you will notice that this looks a little bit cool, like cool tone, kind of more grayish, and this looks a little more yellow. All right, so this is legitimate, guys. This is 26 inches. I can definitely whip it out and probably smack someone in the head with this. Personally, I feel like this one looks way more natural on my hair compared to the other one. Looking for the volume, if you're looking for the texture, then I suggest that you go with the Maya. But if you are someone that's like me, if you like something that kind of like more natural, more like toned down, more grounded, but yet it kind of looks like we have more of a blow dry. So if you kind of like that look more silky, blow dried, then I suggest the Brit. They're both the same price. So my overall thoughts are that I am going to completely give both of them a thumbs up. I think that they both are similar in the sense of something that has more fullness, something that's longer and just gives your hairstyle more personality. However, they are both different, and I can see why they're the both top seller because people have different looks that they're going for. For example, this is the Brit and it is longer, but I will say that it does feel the most natural out of the both. I feel like this one just looks like it's legitimately, like if I'm looking at it, it looks like I just blow dried my hair and I put a lot of like oils and sealer and shiner on my hair. I think like with time, I'll have the experience of adding this on better. This was my first try, so just letting you guys know that my first try is not the best. My braid is also not the best because I feel like I still have a lot of work to do up here. All right, if you want to do Instagram tutorials or even TikTok or IGTV, I think that it's really nice to have this because you don't have to use regular hair extensions to have them plugged in. So when you guys saw me do my fishtail braid tutorial, I actually use hair extensions and I actually had them in my hair instead of like out here. So that was kind of hard because I was already putting a lot of bulkiness up here, and sometimes you don't want to have it really bulky because otherwise your hair will look pretty big. Like your hair will look pretty big here. So I really like the fact that it is here and it's being hidden by the extra piece of hair, and then when you put it on, it really just blends in really great with your hair. And it would also kind of benefited me though is that this hair matched my hair completely, and I am going to be toning my hair and it is going to match even more. So I mean, it's not even necessary for me to tone my hair, but I was going to tone my hair anyways because it's time. This one is also great too. The only difference that I would say is obviously the texture of the hair. So it is pretty crimpy. It does have like a little bit of waves in there. It looks like it's straight from far away, but it's just, you know, something about this doesn't look like it's natural to me compared to this one because it doesn't have the shine compared to the other one. So if I'm comparing these two together, you can definitely tell that this one has a way more shine than that one. So, you know, I think that the shine really just comes from, you know, the texture of the hair. Otherwise, if it was straight, obviously it would have, you know, had all of, if it was all straight, it definitely would have been more shinier. Aside from that, you know, they both have the same Velcro. They both have the little attachment on the side, and they both have the little clip back here too, and it is sewn in as well. I am not gonna lie, I've had the issue with it a couple of times now, and the issue is that if you accidentally put hair in the Velcro, it's gonna be hard to get it out. Like, I accidentally just had it like sitting down and the hair touched the Velcro and I was like yanking it out. Listen, like I'm going through this right now and I'm gonna show you guys how much hair just came out of this. You guys can't even see, but I'm gonna show you guys how much shedding this has. I do think that maybe could be fairly normal. It could also be the fact that I did kind of try to straighten the hair. If you see a lot of shedding, then I don't suggest that you put too much pressure when you are brushing it out, because otherwise you are going to thin this out by a lot. So just try to keep it just try to keep it how it is as much as possible and just lightly brush it out when you can. But other than that, I'm going to give these extensions a plus. I do think that their price range online is really good. I do think that they have a lot of good hair color selections. They have pretty much the basics for the Brit. If you guys have any questions regarding the hair extensions, please let me know. All of the links to the products will be listed below as well. Although the products were sent to me, this is not a paid post. As always, all of my opinions are completely my opinions and not influenced by anyone else. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I would be happy to answer your questions. Please like, follow and subscribe to my channel. As every YouTuber says, it never gets old. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.